Hello and welcome to Quick Crafts. I'm David and today's activity is love bugs and do-it-yourself Valentines. February is a month where love is in the air, and with this craft you can make some good little crafts to give to your loved ones. For this activity, the basic materials you will need are colored paper, but you can also use magazines, scissors, glue, and some markers. The basic shape for all of our Valentine's cards are going to be hearts. And the easiest thing to do is to cut out a whole bunch of hearts in some different colors. Now, you can draw a heart before you cut it out if it'll help, or you can just freehand cut some hearts. So let's do that. After you have all of your hearts cut out, then think about how you can put the shapes together to make something else. For my caterpillar, I lined up a bunch of my hearts in a row and glued them onto my card. And I used another heart for the face of my caterpillar. For my fish, I used an extra large heart with a smaller heart for the tail fin and another tiny heart for the side fin. For my little monster or dinosaur over here, I also used a large heart, and then I used small hearts for the little spikes on his back and some googly eyes. If you want something like a butterfly, you could try 2 large hearts together for the wings and something else on the middle part for the body. Instead of using just paper, I also made one with a popsicle stick for something a little different. Once you have an idea of what you want to make, whether it's an animal or maybe just a little heart-shaped person, then grab the things you need and we'll start gluing stuff together. For this Valentine that I'm going to make, I'm going to use a red paper to make a card that I will then glue the pieces onto. And once you've finished with your card, you can write a heartfelt message on the inside and present it to someone that you care about. I hope you had fun with this Valentine's activity, and I hope you have an idea for how to make a card for yourself. We'll see you next time. Thanks for coming. Bye.